I'm Peter O'Callaghan. I'm a fund accountant and I work for HedgeServe. The main difference between an accountant and a fund accountant is a fund accountant would obviously look at the cash flows of debits and credits of a particular hedge fund compared to an accountant which might look at general ledger bookkeeping. So with HedgeServe, you're looking at cash flows such as cash transfers, trades, subscriptions, redemptions and charges as well. A typical day for me at HedgeServe would be like I'd look at the cash flows such as debits and credits that are hitting the accounts of a particular hedge fund. So these particular cash flows could be redemptions, subscriptions, fees, charges, and particularly trades as well. And this is to ensure the accurate reporting of the fund's net asset valuation and balance sheets as well. In my opinion, the one skill I definitely recommend to be successful in your role in this particular position is time management. For example, every day we have deadlines to meet so as to publish reports such as trial balances to the client every day for the previous day's fund's valuation. Also, you have deadlines for month end, quarter end and year end where you have to hard close the books as well. I'd say in college, the one thing that really improved my time management was assignments, especially in the accountancy modules I did at the University of Limerick. Another thing that was a real beneficial aspect of my time management at college was doing an internship abroad. I was studying business studies in the University of Limerick for 4 years. And in your second year, you have an option to do, well, it's actually compulsory to do an internship as part of the curriculum, and most people would stay domestically, but I decided to go abroad to Luxembourg just to get out of my comfort zone. And 90% of the internships abroad from this particular curriculum are actually based in Luxembourg. So I took it with no hesitation because I knew it would really develop my career in this particular industry. By the time I was finished my program abroad, it was my final year of my degree in UL, and after I've completed that particular year and passed the exams, I spent a little bit of time searching online for a job at HedgeServe, and actually a friend of mine who's already working at the company, he referred to me. And after hearing good stories about HedgeServe, how it's a great company to work with for recently graduated students, I couldn't say no when I got the offer. The opportunity to work abroad was an aspect of me choosing this particular company because I heard they have offices all around the world, such as Luxembourg and Sydney and also Krakow. And in fact, I'm planning to go to Krakow for a 2-year contract in working there in the same position, and in fact my flight is tomorrow morning. The one piece of advice I would give to a first-year student in achieving the success that you need to work in a company like HedgeServe is to get out of your comfort zone. Like do an Erasmus, do an internship, whether domestically or abroad. I'd also recommend speaking to your career guidance counsellor and also going to Grad Ireland job fairs. My favourite thing about working at HedgeServe is the fact that everyday macroeconomic events, whether geopolitical, financial or economic, has a profit and loss impact on the performance of your hedge fund.